Natural factors: OsteoMove, extra strength joint care review. Description: Glucosamine, Chondroitin and MSM advanced formulation. Promotes comfort and mobility. Dietary supplement purity and potency guaranteed. OsteoMove, the synergistic joint formula, for healthy joint structure, function and mobility. All Natural Factors products are manufactured in accordance with the Government of Canada's Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, among the highest standards in the world. 2 tablets per day or as directed by a health professional. Other ingredients: Croscarmellose sodium, modified cellulose, medium-chain triglycerides, coconut, magnesium stearate, vegetable grade. Contains crab, crayfish, prawn, shrimp, lobster, coconut. Contains no artificial preservatives or sweeteners. No dairy, soy, gluten or wheat. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. Sealed for your protection. Do not use if seal is broken. For freshness, store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.